uMakhura uthi ukhathazekile njengoba leli gciwane libhebhetheka kakhulu kulesifundazwe ikakhulukazi enkabeni yedolobha.
Last week our concern was the CBD inner city and the CBD and the areas of Mayfair. You can see it is still our big concern this week. It's where the number of cases is increasing quite exponentially. The CBD of Johannesburg, the parts of the CBD that includes Mayfair. So we have the largest number of cases, active cases there, over 700 active cases. Doornkop, Dobsonville, and the south, the western parts of Soweto that are kind of linked to the West Rand and Roodepoort.
Uthi kunzima kakhulu ukubhekana nedolobha laseGoli njengoba liphithizela kakhulu futhi liwumgogodla wezomnotho. Njengamanje idolobha laseGoli ilo elinesibalo esiphezulu sabantu abahaqwa igciwane kulesifundazwe. Uthi kuzazoba nzima kakhulu njengoba kuyiwa kuntulikazi lapho kulindele ukuthi isibalo sikhuphuke kakhulu.
All modeling that is done at a national level and at a provincial level indicates that July is a critical month for us. It is a critical month. We should be able to have additional beds as we move to August and September, which is anticipated as the peak.
Uchazeka banzi ngezindawo ezinesibalo esiphezulu sabantu abahaqwa i-COVID-19 njengoba lesifundazwe sesinabantu abangu-7,953.
2,399 Johannesburg, 989 are in Ekurhuleni, 614 are in Tshwane, 112 are in Sidibeng, 436 are in the West Rand.
Kube wathi amaphesenti angama-85 abafundi nothisha ababuyele ezikoleni kulesifundazwe. Uthi ukuvula kwamanye amabanga kuzoqala ukubheka ukuthi lamabanga asevuliwe aqhubeka kanjani. Izikole ezinenselela yezingqalasizinda angeke zikwazi ukuvulwa njengamanje. Unxusa abantu bakulesifundazwe ukuthi bayeke ukuthi leli gciwane alikho likhona kusona sonke isifundazwe.